There it is, y'all. There it is. All right, guys, we'll open this package up we received this morning from Mr. Bubba. This is all custom made, y'all. Well, custom made to fit our truck. So, nicely packaged. Shout out to Mr. Bubba. Look at that, y'all. Wasn't even gonna move. Little block to keep it from sliding.
They're probably too much.
Wow. Look at this work, y'all.
Wow.
Wow. Look
This
at
guy,
this
Mr.
work.
Bubba, you too much. Trust me all the time.
See how you got our lines here? Coming out.
Kenworth wants anywhere between $1,600 to $2,000 for this setup. He just custom made us one.
So this will go on the back of the truck, y'all. Like this. If you're looking at it, standing on the catwalk, I believe that's how it'll go. As you can see, the lines on the back of the truck will come up. Join these. Wow, look at those welds.
Very, very nice. Very nice. He made all those copper hoses go in there. Man, you're amazing, Mr. Bubba. Amazing.
So, all right, guys, so I'm gonna remove this bracket. 13 millimeter bolts holding it on. We got a line drawn right here, but disregard that, because what we got to do is get this bracket, since the condenser casing is bigger. We've got the bracket, we got to get it to come further out, and I don't want to drill into my sleeper, so just want to do some little modifying with this bracket. But yeah, get it off first and then see what we can do. Maybe put it on the vikes and bend it so this bracket is flat and flush. All right, guys, so as you can see, that's how the bracket goes on the side of the condenser, and these aren't real flush edges, or this plate isn't, this bracket isn't real flush, so that gives us room to play. So what we're going to do is we're going to probably draw this line straighter for first off, and then we're going to stay in this square right here. We're going to drill new holes, and then we're going to come out here. We're going to take this down to the vise and maybe try to, I'm not going to try to bend it first. Now we're going to drill holes first and then see where that lands us, and then go from there. So we'll get these holes drilled out and be back with y'all. Stepping up in size, started real small. Then going up to the size we need. Milwaukee, y'all, the best. ratchet, or wrench.
All right, I got you.
There it is, y'all.
Lift it right up.
Mr. Bubba's work. Impeccable. Lines hooked right up. Mind y'all, this condenser came without a case. The case that originally came mounted to the back of the sleeper was ate up with rust. It was literally falling to pieces when we was unmounting it to send it to him. And he said when it got to him, he pulled it out the box. It was just breaking away in little pieces and little shreds of rusted metal. So wife ordered him the case for the condenser and ordered him the condenser, sent it down to him. He used our old ends. As y'all can see earlier in the video unboxing, when you can see the actual inside part of the condenser and the casing, you can see he used all our hookups.
It looks good.
There it is. Mr. Bubba's work. It's amazing. It looks factory. It looks better than factory.
Way better.
It's even got a little billet look to it. It's billet aluminum, right? Something like that. Anyway, there you have it, guys.
Thank you, Mr. Bubba.
Appreciate you, man. We love you.
Everything's working good, Mr. Bubba. Looks good. Thank you so much. We love you. You're awesome.